of the Honorable Judge Cornelio AC. As he stepped down from the bench to begin a new chapter in his life, we want to take a moment to express our deepest gratitude for his service and dedication to the judiciary. Honorable Cornelio AC was born on September 14, 1955 at Las Lavas, Northern Zamora. He is the 10th child of Mr. Juan C. and Mrs. Ana Adarna. He finished his College of Law at University of the East and passed the bar exam in 1983. He worked as private practitioner from 1983 to 1990. 1990 to 1999 as public attorney, 1999 to 2008 as assistant public prosecutor in Manila, and 2008 to 2025 as presiding judge of Municipal Trial Court of San Jose Occidental, Mindoro. Simultaneously, he was assigned as acting presiding judge of Municipal Trial Court Sablayan for 8 years and 10 years in Municipal Circuit Trial Court of Rizal, Calintaan, and Magsaysay. He is married to Dr. Maria Clarita Igardosi and blessed with 3 children, Juan Felipe Mark, Dr. Julian Marie Claire, and Vicente Ross. For almost 18 years of venerable service, Judge C has served this community with an unwavering commitment to justice, fairness, and compassion. His insightful rulings and profound understanding of the law left an indelible mark on so many lives here in San Jose, Sablayan, Rizal, Calintaan, and Magsaysay Occidental, Mindoro. We are profoundly grateful for his dedication, his wisdom, and unwavering integrity. On behalf of the Municipal Trial Court staff, we thank you as our tatay and loyal judge of our kids, who taught us unconditional love of our parents by sharing your childhood story behind Rolex watch. You taught us patience and perseverance and lean unto God by sharing your college of law stories behind spoiled food or panis na pagkain in parlance language. Drinking water direct to the faucet of the comfort room to quench your thirst, and pulling a card to stay your studies in pursuit of your dream of becoming a lawyer. In dealing people in public service, you taught us to treat them equally with respect, regardless of their social status, and to serve them without expecting in return by internalizing your 2 degrees in our daily life. 1, huwag manghihingi, and 2, huwag magpaparingin at huwag umasa. You showed us what really public service is, to serve the public for the benefit of the common good and not for personal interest, thus touching the lives of others. To work beyond working hours and in fact, conducted court hearings and other court activities up to the last day of your retirement. Indeed, you are truly a hard-working man and a man of honor. On behalf of the legal profession and all those who are privileged appearing before your court, we thank you for your service. You have set a standard of excellence that will continue to inspire us all. We wish you a retirement filled with joy, happiness, good health, and fulfillment in your chapter of your life. Thank you, Judge. We love you, Your Honor.
Maganda naman yung message. Munti ka na akong